KozyGear Professional Sharpening Kit. This knife sharpener kit is bundled with the large whetstone. This is a common whetstone in the market, and this is our larger whetstone. The top cover of sharpener kit can be used as a container for whetstone soaking water. You need to soak the whetstone for 10 minutes before use. The KozyGear sharpener kit is also bundled with flattening stone. When the surface of the whetstone became rough and uneven, use this flattening stone to make the whetstone smoother. Bottom cover could be used to collect the stone mud during the sharpening process, so it won't mess up the desktop. We need to fix this sharpening kit tightly in the process of sharpening. The bottom cover of sharpening kit has two non-slip designs, the rubber-based one and the sucker-type one. You could choose either one according to the desktop. This group of equipment is additionally attached with a sharpening angle guide. Usually use rough surface to do the first step of sharpening. No need to push hard, and better to lengthen the stroke of sharpening, used to the entire grindstone surface. Then flip the knife over to continue the same steps. It could also grid knife in the sideways. After we ground the sharp edge of the knife, turn it over and use the highly concentrated surface for the second step. Also doing the same step, smoothly, not too hard, travel a little longer. If you are already a professional sharpener, no need to sharpen your knife with the angle guide. If you want to add some water on the whetstone, we can use the soaking water that we just used in the top cover container. Add a little water on it. The knife will become very sharp. After clean up the sharpening kit, we could put the whetstone in the vertical design. This design, able to make the whetstone drying easily. Put this sharpening kit in a shady place. This can extend the life cycle of the whetstone. With this sharpened knife, we could cut ginger as thin as a paper. Very smooth surface.